Today, I will take you to CJNOO factory to visit the production process of charging stations. Our production base is located in Taohongtan, Longhu County, Hunan Province. We are going to visit the first phase of the factory. Our first phase of the factory is divided into office areas, production areas, and dormitory areas. Now we have come to our Science and Technology Museum. Here we mainly show our production of charging stations and photovoltaic panels and other products. Next, we're going to our production line to watch the production process of charging pile on the spot. This is our rolling materials rack. Our motherboard is self-developed. Next is our SMT workshop. Before entering the SMT workshop, we need to change into anti-static suits, and then through this little room. Now we enter the SMT workshop. Our PCBA board, 4G communication board, circuit board are independently produced here. This is the DC charging station workshop. We can produce DC charging stations from 20 kW to 900 kW. Before leaving the factory, the charging pile will be sent to the testing room. Now here is our testing room. The charging piles will be burned and tested in this room. Now we come to the inspection and packaging area. This is a machine awaiting inspection and packing. Here is our finished product warehouse. Our packaging materials area. Now we come to the quality control laboratory. We'll interview the testers in the lab.
Hi, I'm the person in charge of JNOO laboratory. Now, the charging station behind me is the standard version of our company's state grid. And the beautiful blue one next to it is a model of our American and European standards. This is an AC load testing machine, mainly designed for factory load, testing, current, voltage, and normal operation of our products. Now this device is a salt mist machine, which is used to create the salt mist for all the hardware components that we use on the device and prevent it from rusting. This device is a constant temperature and humidity machine, and its purpose is to test some electronic components for extreme testing in extremely harsh environments, such as low or high temperature and dust testing. The white product next to it is mainly aimed at some incoming materials, and its operation status can be directly tested. Then the next one will undergo load testing for American, European, and national standards, mainly used for simulating vibration before we leave the factory. What is its purpose? It is used to detect whether the electronic components inside our equipment will become loose during transportation.
At the same time, the staff will input the data into the platform. We support access to JNOO's own charging management platform and more than 30 mainstream platforms in China. This is our AC pile test area, where our AC pile will be tested to prevent burning. After our AC charging station test area, we now come to the AC charging station assembly. This is our wire processing workshop. We walked from the production floor and now came to our company-owned charging station. Here are 11 sets of 120 kilowatts double gun charging stations. In order to improve your experience of using charging station, we welcome interested partners to visit our production base and make progress together.